My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted pop-ups that are related to the site blockadseasily.com. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by this site, blockadseasily.com. Keep in mind that this is a fake and deceptive site, and its purpose is actually to hijack your Google Chrome browser. These pop-ups by blockadseasily.com are totally faulty and you should not interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest, because such pop-ups promote unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. If anything unwanted was installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and remove any third-party extensions. To remove them, access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and start carefully researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.